So here in this box here, we do have the Realme GT8 Pro, which is going to be Realme's first device with the new Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 inside. Now, based on the amount of green that I'm seeing here, I do believe this is going to be that Aston Martin version, which they did with the GT7 a few months ago. But let's go ahead and see what else we have inside. So first up, we have the detachable camera decorative protective cover set. That's quite a name for it. And we have the GT8 Pro right here, which is in collaboration with Ricoh. So Oppo is using Hasselblad for their cameras. Oppo or OnePlus was using Hasselblad. This year they decided to go with their own Detail Max engine for the camera. So now Realme is using Ricoh for their cameras, which should be a pretty nice upgrade over what we've had before from Realme, because they've never been that impressive. So then we have here the Realme GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So right here we can see that green on that Dream Edition of the GT8 Pro. So here we have that decorative plate cover as well as the tool to swap it out, which looks like it's similar to what you use to like take care of to swap out the battery on the older Ring cameras. Then here we have that Realme GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So put that aside, leave those in there for now. See what else we have down here. So we do have the charger here, which I believe is going to be 120 watts, if I read the reviewer's guide correctly. So yeah, this is a 120 watt USB-A charger. Now this is the UK version, the UK plug. So, you know, it's not gonna work here in the US, but I can use one of the adapters to use this if I wanted to, which I will be doing when I test it to see how fast it actually charges. Of course, we also have that USB-A to USB-C cable here. And this is just your normal black cable, nothing special there. Down here, it looks like we have probably a case, hopefully. Oh, no, we have two cases. So here we have, looks like a TPU case. Yeah, just a regular TPU case. But it does have the Aston Martin F1 stuff on here. So it should look pretty nice on that case, on that phone. And then in here we have some paperwork, including how to use the detachable camera decoration replacement. And we have another case. So basically it's one case for each of the decorations that you decide to use on the GT8 Pro Dream Edition. So if you want to use the round one, you use this one. If you want to use the square one, you use that one. Other than that, they're the exact same case. And finally down here we have the SIM card ejection tool. But that is the SIM card ejection tool. And that appears to be it for the Dream Edition.